Right, with our waste not policy, we're going to put our woodworking waste wood to light the fire. We'll see if we can get away with no firelighters. Let's see what we can do. Oh. That's not going to burn, is it? We'll see. See if we can get away with it. I think we made an error. Yes, we have made an error. But we will get this going without any firelighters. Oh, burn myself at the same time. You watch me burn myself. I'm great at it. Sticks on with that, see? Okay, we got a fire going for sure. Look at that. Waste wood is good. So, why not waste not people? Look at that, we got it going. This is also offcuts of the sawmill timber. Beautiful. That's done. Beautiful. Look at that guy. That's just brilliant. Huh. Too easy. Give me some world-class Binjo tan, and there you are. Is that open? Yep. Oh. Now I was killing dry that wood. As you can see, brilliant. The Binjo tan charcoal. Oh, get it in the fire, bro. Laughing. It's that easy. Bit more of the waste wood. I'm going to have a bit of snort of smoker session tonight. Put that over a bit here. I think I've got another bit up here from my other time at work. No, what the hell? Yes, it is. It sure is. Let's come up there a bit. Beautiful. Then we have it. Let's stand up. Oh, right. That didn't. That'll hold that. Look after that for us. Beautiful. Any more to add? No, not really. Beautiful fire. I'll put the meat in after. Just let that get going and happy days. It's just right.